Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use high ground to your advantage in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, scout the area. Use the high ground to survey the battlefield and spot enemy movements. Cover and concealment. Utilize natural cover and elevation to stay hidden while keeping an eye on your surroundings. Strategic positioning. Position yourself near edge or corners to minimize exposure while maintaining a clear line of sight. Ambush points. Set up ambushes at choke points or areas with limited access to catch enemies off guard. Heighten awareness. Stay vigilant for enemy snipers or ambushes from below while on the elevated ground. Vertical advantage. Take advantage of verticality to gain a wider field of view and spot enemies hiding behind cover. Long-range combat. Engage enemies from a distance with sniper rifles or long-range weapons for maximum effectiveness. Map knowledge. Use your knowledge of the map to identify key high ground locations and plan your movements accordingly. Team coordination. Coordinate with your team to cover different angles and provide mutual support from elevated positions. Quick escape routes. Identify nearby rappel points or terrain features that allow for quick retreats if the high ground becomes compromised. Bait and switch. Use decoys or distraction to lure enemies into exposed positions while you maintain the high ground advantage. Heighten mobility. Take advantage of elevated positions to access rooftop shortcuts or flanking routes for faster navigation. Objective defense. Defend objectives from elevated positions to maintain control and repel enemy advances more effectively. And that's how to use high ground to your advantage in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.